Good afternoon. Yesterday was the warmest day of the year so far, 32 degrees in Chertsey in Surrey. I suspect we could see temperatures similar to that today. And in fact, already in East Anglia, we've got 30 degrees, but the heat not quite as widespread today. Look at Cardiff, look at Dundee, across that east coast of Scotland, only 14 degrees at the moment. The reason being, we've got some cloud and some rain, fairly showery rain across eastern and northern Scotland and down to the southwest. And already we're just starting to see one or two thunderstorms break out here. So through this afternoon, yes, it will feel quite hot and humid out there for many, but we could start to see more widespread thundery downpours develop. The best of the sunshine certainly through central and eastern areas where temperatures could be into the low 30s once again. Now, whether you've got 32 degrees or 22 degrees, it's certainly worth bearing in mind that the UV will remain high throughout the day today, and also for the next few days we're going to continue to see high or very high pollen levels. Now, yes, the thunderstorms will continue through the early evening, but I just want to draw your attention to this area of rain moving out of Dorset up through Gloucestershire and into South Wales. We could see a couple of inches of rain. It could be quite heavy, may well lead to some localised flooding. We'll need to keep an eye on that. Quite a murky night across the southwest in general and also the northwest of Scotland, but it will stay on the warm side. Temperatures not falling very far. An uncomfortable night for getting a good night's sleep. In the London area, we might be waking up to temperatures around 17 or 18 degrees. So first thing on Monday morning then, our rain easing away from the southwest, a good deal of fine dry weather, and once again another hot and humid day will tend to develop for most, and widespread thundery downpours again could be a risk factor. Some of these showers really quite heavy and torrential. They'll be hit and miss, but if you get them, you'll certainly know about it. Fewer showers into northern England, one or two heavy ones into Northern Ireland, and obviously a few moving their way further north into Scotland as well. Now, I just want to talk temperatures as well. Monday, another hot and humid day, and quite widely across the country we're going to continue to see that heat. So these are the kind of values that we'll be looking at. So these kind of criteria, heat wave criteria, on Monday we're going to see mid to high 20s once again across the country, and it's not only going to be quite hot through the middle of the day, but it's also going to be pretty warm overnight. Our minimum temperatures not really falling far at all, so that's going to make it feel very uncomfortable once again. But as we move through the middle part of the week, the high pressure still in control, but it just moves its position once again, and we lose that southeasterly flow. The wind direction reverts back to more of an easterly. Now, don't panic if you live on those North Sea coasts. It's a light east wind. Hopefully we're not expecting it to drag in as much cloud as we had last week. So on the whole, Wednesday looks a promising day. Dry, settled and sunny, and we're going to lose that humidity, so it might be a little bit more comfortable for most of us. Still the risk of some sharp thundery downpours across Northern Ireland. Top temperatures down a degree or so, which might well come as welcome news. We're looking at highs generally of around 21 to 26 degrees. So just want to summarise for you, it's going to be a humid start to our week with some thunderstorms, a little bit less humid, but a lot of dry weather right throughout our week ahead.